Hi, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Today I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look using the Juvia's Place Tribe eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to start off with the color Oromo, and I'm going to apply that color just below the brow bone area of my eyelid. To do that step, I'm going to be using a blending brush, and I'm going to be using my favorite Ecotools blending brush for this step. Next, I'm going to go into the color Ashanti. Ashanti is a really brown matte color, and I'm going to apply that color. I'm going to blend that color in just beneath the Oromo color. So I'm going to go into the color Sand. Sand is a really dark moss green looking color, and it is also matte. I'm going to take the sand color and I'm going to blend it just beneath the Ashanti color, blending away just to make sure that everything is looking good. And these three shades I used on my eyelid thus far. I used my blending brush to do that. Curler is a shimmery orange looking color. It's more on a copper side, shimmery coppery orange color. And to do that, I'm going to be using my flat eyeshadow brush. This is a brush from the Crayon Case Cosmetics brush set. I'm going to go into the shade Shanga, and I'm going to be using that same flat eyeshadow brush to do this step. I'm going to apply this shimmery color, the Shanga shade, right next to the, and I'm misting my brush to apply these shimmery shades onto my eyelids. Going to go into the color Coral. Coral is the lightest shade you'll find, the lightest shimmery shade you will find in this eyeshadow palette. And I'm basically going to use the Coral color or the Coral shade just to kind of create a cut crease effect. I love using this technique when I'm doing my eyelids, or if I would like a dramatic look without going in with the concealer and cutting my crease and doing all of that. To do this step, I'm using a very small flat eyeshadow brush. This brush I'm using right now is actually from the Dollar Tree. It is one of those Wetn'wild brushes from the Dollar Tree. At this point, I'm just making sure that everything is well blended, everything looks good, making sure that the colors are creating the effect that I would like. going in with some liquid eyeshadow, some liquid glitter eyeshadow from the Hang Fang Cosmetics. I believe I'm using the color number 4 from the Hang Fang glitter eyeshadows, and I'm again using a eyeliner brush. I'm using an eyeliner brush just to create a cut crease effect. Again, we're kind of cheating the cut crease today. I'm really loving the final look. It is very simple, very easy, very effortless, an easy look, an easy dramatic look without even cutting the crease. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye, Sophy-Yas, and stay Sophie.